Hello friends, my name is Ravindra Ashok Aire. I am from Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KSKW Arts, Science and Commerce College, Sidco, Nasik. My topic is College Social Responsibility, Student Induction Program 2020-21, submitted to second induction program HRDC Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad. Today's we study social responsibility. Social responsibility in disaster like floods, earthquakes, any emergency services. We study college social responsibility. Student social responsibility mainly focuses on taking responsibility for one's own actions. It is a promise everyone should make for the society while working for the social, cultural, and ecological causes. Different ways students can fulfill their social responsibilities. Guide to fulfill your social responsibility as a student or volunteers. Endless social campaigns like Save Tigers and so forth, there is constant efforts from corporate companies and governments to fulfill the social responsibility. But are social responsibilities sole liability of corporate world or the government? Do the youth have nothing to do with it? Once little efforts count, they will. Being a student, you too can make a difference by taking baby steps. Your participation in solving social problems has the power to promote the personal and collectively identity. You may be aware of different measures and ways to help, but the question is, do you implement them? Student social responsibility mainly focuses on taking responsibility for one's own actions. It is a promise everyone should to make for the society while working for the social, cultural and ecological causes. These social responsibility are ethical, binding and propose that each person act in such a way that minimizes the adverse effect to those immediately around them. Be a volunteer. Have you ever thought of helping others in need? Is there cause that a close to your hearts? Would you like to help an organization that support that cause? If yes, then you just unlock the next social responsibility you could fulfill. There are many projects launched by government and NGOs to support different social causes like creating awareness for importance of education, finding shelter for homeless, looking after the sick people, spending time with old age peoples. You can you can be a part of any of them. It won't consume much of your time and you will feel content after giving time to some things that is selfless. As it is rightly said, the best feeling of happiness is knowing you are the reason of others. Smiles. Thank you. Today's study or discuss about college social responsibility through the NSS National Service Scheme. Thank you.